Henen kesegi Menteri Khmih igatnat Bording u mondal ulapen tikena syakinong pendonkam Bording bagi Sorkar kam sa Jingkiew Halor ke Jingkiew ke bedai bagi Jingkiew Jong ke bai Bording. Unia Menteri ulaong bagi Jingkiew kensan Jong ke bai Bording ke dai nak dau Jong ke jing penduna ia ke bai Bording hakipo beladam. Bat kini ke jing bakla kalami nak dau Jong ke jing tungkam da kinong puli meter ki batamai. Nakaliang ke Sorkar kala kentui ki Paidbah bakin ai da ka jing ujor kenang bonla banweng ia ka jing ke Jongkiew.
Billing is high because of previous under billing, and the excess billing remain in the meter itself. So when a new meter reader or somebody have gone, that has been rebuilt. There are cases like that also, but we will request all the stream consumer, if there is such cases, please bring to the notice of the respective AEE of revenue section.